Yesterday we wound up going out on Oneida Lake on the last day of good ice, which in February, I'm surprised it ended so quick. But we caught some fresh perch, filleted that up. We also have some perch roe, which some people eat, but they call it poor man's caviar. And then what we're gonna do is put some flour. I put a little oatmeal, some sesame seeds, pepper, salt. You can see a lot of pepper in there, and we're gonna add some Chinese 5-spice and some ground cumin. I'm very excited about how fresh these fillets were for these perch. They are when it gets to this point where it's golden brown, then you want to flip it. We are doing some fish and chips. Jack has cut a couple potatoes, sliced them up, seasoned them up, and we threw them into that oil that we were cooking the fish in. So hopefully that will take in some of that fried fish and that grizzle that you get from the cast iron skillet.
Thank you for making this delicious lunch, Henry.
The cooking part was the easier part. Going out and catching them was definitely the challenge.
Toast?
I toast you, so I'll take that one. Eat your heart out, Andrew.
Oh, so creamy and flavorful.